This one is a FM Bluetooth MP3 player or Bluetooth FM modulator. Okay, right now we plug into our car secret hole. Plug inside, and this is a frequency 875. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is we need to set our frequency, that means car stereo frequency, to 8750. I already set to 8750. Okay, if you are not sure, that means you have to check your car stereo menu to set it. Okay, now 8750 and match with this Bluetooth FM modulator. Okay, if you want to change the frequency, you can press this button. Okay, when it's blinking, you can set the frequency up. If you set to 1080, means your car stereo also need to set to 1080. Okay, okay, I go back, press again, blinking, then go down. It's 875. Okay, then you press save. That is. I'm going to enable my Bluetooth for this smartphone. Go to the setting. Okay, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Okay, yes, already on. Then you will detect this Bluetooth FM modulator. Okay, this is the name, BT Car Kit. Okay, now it's pairing. So wait for a while. It's connecting. Yes, connected. Okay, right now is connect to this FM Bluetooth modulator. Okay, you can play right now. You can play Bluetooth. Right now you can play the YouTube. Okay, now play YouTube. Although you cannot watch, but you still can listen the music you play on the YouTube. Okay, I go to. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, now I play. Okay, I can control the volume here. You see? So you can control the volume here from this car stereo, or you can control from your smartphone. This is the advertisement. Just skip. Okay. Now. Okay. You can pause from the smartphone, or just playback. Okay, then come to here. This also have the control, means that you can pause. Now it's pause. Okay, playback. Okay, you go to the next song. You play the next song. Okay, that's the next song, or go back to a previous song. Yeah, that is. Okay, this is a pen drive, and I already download few of this MP3 song into this pen drive or flash drive. Just plug in. Okay, and this FM Bluetooth modulator also can play on this micro SD. Okay, micro SD. This is a micro SD, and you slot in this way. Okay. Okay, now applying to this secret car hole. Okay.
Play by USB drive.
USB drive means it's played on this flash drive, pen drive. So, oh, I make a phone call. Okay.
Play by USB drive.
USB drive means that you play the song from this flash drive. And you press and hold about 3 seconds. One
Play by TF card.
mean play by TFcard. Okay. Press and hold again.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode that means play from this my smartphone. Okay. Press and hold again.
Play by TF card.
It's TFcard.
Play by USB drive.
This is USB drive. I go to the next song. Next song again. You can press a button at the bottom. And the previous song, I press this top button. Okay. Yes. Okay, while you are playing the music, if there's an incoming call, okay,
012471.
hello? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, incoming call, you just answer. After finish, okay, disconnect the phone call. The music will continue.